Hello, lesson 6-6, trapezoids and kites. Today we will take just trapezoids. What is a trapezoid? Trapezoid is a quad or quadrilateral, means 4 sides. Okay? And exactly means exactly one pair of parallel sides. Only one pair, not each opposite. No, only one pair. One pair of parallel sides. It's called base. We have two parallel bases, and other two sides non-parallel. The other two sides unparallel. And the non-parallel sides are called legs. Okay? The two angles that share a base of trapezoid are called base angles. What is the base? This one and this one. The angle connected by this base, like this angle and this angle, is called base angles. Also the other base, we have two angles, is called base angles. Until now, no relation between them, just called base angle. Isosceles trapezoid. What's the trapezoid? Only two pair of parallel lines. It's called bases, and other two sides unparallel, not parallel. This one and this one is called legs. But if these legs they are equals, congruent, this trapezoid is called isosceles trapezoid. Then the isosceles trapezoid is trapezoid, two parallel sides, and the other non-parallel, they are congruent. It's called isosceles trapezoid. In the isosceles trapezoid, each pair of base angles are congruent. Congruent means this base TP, we have two angles, they are equals in the isosceles trapezoid. And the other base are A, the two angles are equals also. Okay? Then we have isosceles trapezoid. The base angles congruent and the other base angles equals. What's the relation between them? We have two parallel lines and transversal. Then this angle is called interior supplementary, interior and on the same side. Then their sum is 180. For example, if this angle is 80, then this angle is 180 minus 80 is 100. Is angle A is 120, then angle P is 180 minus 120 equals 60, and so on. Then R equal A and T equals P, and the sum of R and T equal 180, sum of A and P equals 180. Also, if we have isosceles trapezoid, the two diagonals are congruent. Which diagonals? AC and BD, they are equals in length. Now, first example. Find the measure of the numbered angles in each isosceles trapezoid. Then this trapezoid, this shape is trapezoid and isosceles. What is the base angle? This parallel base is this one. Then the base angles, they are congruent. Then angle 1 equals 77. Excellent. What about 77 and 77? What's the relation between 1 and 2 or 3 and 77? Their sum is 180. then 2 is the same, 3 equals 180 minus 77. Number 1, angle A equals 77, angle 1 equals 77, and angle 3 equal 180 minus 77, and the same angle 2 like angle 3, as you see. This one, number 8, the easier angle, base angle. We have the base, this is the base, small base. We have two angles, they are equals, then angle 3 equals 111. Angle 1 is the same angle 2, and each one is 180 minus 111. Equals 69. The same. 105. Which angle, it's base angle, the base xy. Which angle is equal to 105? 1, 2, or 3? Yes, 1. Angle 1 equals 105. And angle 2 and 3, they are equals, each one is 180 minus 105 equals 75. Supplementary. Interior supplementary. 11. Which angle is congruent to 65? The two parallel bases. These bases. Then the base angle 3 and 65, 1 and 2. Then 3 equals 65, and 1 and 2, each one equal 180 minus 65 equals 115. Number 12. The base angles, the parallel bases BC and AD. Then angle 3 equals angle of measure 60. Then angle 3 equals 60, and 1 equals 2, each one is 180 minus 60. Okay, I think so easy. Next. Yes, if the quadrilateral is a trapezoid, then the mid-segment, what is the mid-segment? What is the mid-segment? The line segment joining between the two midpoints of the two non-parallel sides is called mid-segment. Is parallel to the bases, parallel to BA and parallel to TB, okay? And equals half the sum of the lengths of the two bases. Half the sum of the lengths of the two bases. For example, trapezoid, mid-segment EF is called X. Find X. X equals half the sum of 4 and 8. Then it will be 4 plus 8 divided by 2. It will be 12 divided by 2 equals 6. What about this one? Yes, try. Yes, x equals 12 plus 18, then divided by 2. Equal 30 divided by 2. Equals 15. Excellent. What about this? Yes, the same. Yes, excellent. It will be 10. 7 plus 13 divided 2, it will be 20 divided 2 equals 10. Now, algebra. Find the value of the variables. Trapezoid, isosceles trapezoid, then the base angles, they are equals. Yes. Then 5x equals 60 divided by 5 divided by 5, then x equals 12. What about this one? In the relation between these angles, it's a base, yes, and this is base angle, this one and this one. then 3x plus 15 equals 60. Then 3x plus 15 equals 60. Yes, right. And solve. It will be minus 15, it will be 45, divide by 3, divide by 3, it will be 15. Number 30, he said QS equals PR or RP. X plus 5 equals 3x plus 3. Then x equals 1. Find x and y. In the relation between x and y equals 5x plus 60. Two variables, I think difficult. What's the relation between this angle because it contains x and this angle because it contains x? Only one variable. It's parallel lines and transversal like you. Then the sum is 180. Excellent. Interior supplementary. Then 5x plus 60 plus 3x equals 180 and solve algebraically. It will be 8x plus 60 equals 180. 5x plus 60 plus 3x, collect 5x and 3x equal 8x, and 60, it will be negative 60. Then 8x equal 180 divided 8 divided 8 equals 15. Thank you.